Hi, I'm Dr. Jack Schaefer, owner of 20 South Battery, a Charleston mansion whose majestic history inspires celebration, conversation, and creativity. Our guests come to Charleston for architecture, for history, and of course the arts. We have so many museums and galleries for you to visit. First, the Gibbs Museum of Art is a great way to check out rotating exhibits from local artists. They have everything from contemporary to colonial there. I also love Robert Lang Studios, located in the historic French Quarter District. This gallery features a wide range of visual artists. The Dare Gallery on historic Broad Street celebrates Southern coastal culture through artwork in a unique courtyard sculpture garden. And you must check out Helena Fox Fine Art for American representational art, and Meyer Vogel Gallery for contemporary fine art. Charleston is a city that is proud of all we have to offer. Y'all come see us.